Hey everyone, this is Johnny over at Apple Chevrolet in Tinley Park, Illinois. Today I'm standing in front of my certified pre-owned vehicle pick of the week, the 2018 Chevy Equinox LT. This all-wheel drive Equinox has 27,048 miles on it and has never been reported in any accidents. Apple Chevy is giving all of its customers over $4,600 in savings on this Equinox that is equipped with your back tinted windows and 17-inch aluminum wheels. Now, when we get inside this vehicle, you can see that we do have cloth seating with a tan lining throughout the entire vehicle. When it comes to the front, we do have our brand new Chevy MyLink radio. We have heated seating and even your standard cruise control. This is Johnny over at Apple Chevrolet. Thanks for taking the time to watch my video. I hope you guys have a great day.